Hi, I'm Misti, founder and creator of Cellustrious, trichologist, author, and trainer. What makes Cellustrious so different from other hair loss treatments is that it's relatively painless, non-invasive, and requires no drugs or surgery. Cellustrious uses 9 of the most powerful plant-based peptides to trigger the causes of hair loss. You can feel great knowing that you're using the least invasive treatment on the market. I developed Cellustrious after seeing many patients, both men and women, struggling with hair loss. After participating in clinical trials using bone marrow, I decided to look for a plant-based alternative. Together, along with a biochemist with a background in hair science who holds 40 hair-related patents, we developed Cellustrious, a totally non-invasive treatment option that is easy, manageable, and effective. I'm really passionate about helping people suffering from the painful side effects of hair loss. Hair loss can be devastating. It can affect your self-esteem, your self-confidence, and really impact the way you feel about yourself. I wanted to be able to offer my patients something without side effects or painful injections, something that would help them feel better about themselves. I look at hair loss from a whole person viewpoint, from lifestyle, diet, toxicity, stress, microbiome, and the hair follicle that has gone dormant. This is all based upon science that works. We're not just hoping for a good result. We're targeting the follicle, which is a mini organ in and of itself and needs to be treated. We also look at the scalp quality, which is often ignored in traditional hair loss treatment options. After years of research and participating in clinical trials, I developed Cellustrious, which includes an in-office treatment and an at-home treatment option. I encourage you to schedule your consultation and your in-office treatment. There are a lot of options out there, but it's important to find the solution that works for you. This means you'll have to do your part, which is follow through with a quick, painless at-home process, which we'll go over during your treatment. Reach out now to schedule your consultation and hair analysis. Call us at 213-536-9339 to schedule your appointment, or go to cellustrious.com to see some of our happy patients.